The importance of learning JavaScript.
JavaScript is essential for developing dynamic websites and applications. As a core language of the web, it powers everything from basic interactivity to complex frameworks. Learning JavaScript opens doors to front-end, back-end, and even mobile development opportunities. Choosing the right resources can make your self-study journey efficient, enjoyable, and effective.
Top online JavaScript courses.
Several highly rated online courses cover JavaScript from beginner to advanced levels. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy offer interactive, project-based lessons, ideal for building foundational skills. Udemy hosts popular courses such as the Complete JavaScript course by Jonas Schmedman, ideal for in-depth learning with practical examples and exercises.
Recommended tutorial series and video resources.
YouTube channels like Academand and the Net Ninja provide clear, up-to-date JavaScript tutorials for free. These series break down complex topics and offer hands-on coding challenges. Mozilla's JavaScript documentation and MDN web docs are also trusted resources, perfect for clarifying concepts and delving deeper into language features.
Project-based learning and practice platforms.
Building projects strengthens your understanding and boosts your portfolio. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp guide you through structured projects, while sites such as JavaScript 30 by Wes Bos offer daily challenges. Code Wars and LeetCode help you improve problem-solving skills through real-world coding exercises at your own pace.
Tips for successful self-study.
The previous users spoke prior to this wave is a welcome confer casual place to be. Be your treasure. Once in action is enough, the learning is worth it.